What's up guys, welcome to Petrol It's Paradise. देखो कुछ डिफरेंस दिख रहा है, कुछ ऊपर से कम हुआ है. ए, look at the cars. So इसी से देख लिया that we are on Marine Drive and we just have got some information that there is a car which is AMG GTR, Mercedes AMG GTR on Marine Drive का end वाला part. उसको क्या बोलते हैं ना? NCPA something. Let's see. I'm very excited to see that car and nothing. So चलो let's go. आपको पता है कमेंट्स में क्या बोलेंगे? You should not record while driving. ठीक है, चलो आपका बात मानता हूँ.
A few moments later.
ओह चलो. So guys, just Marine Drive की तरफ बाहर आ गए and you have to see what car is just in front of me. The AMG GTR finally on the road. Check this out guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Insane guys. What the fuck. It looks so damn cool guys. Oh my god. The matte green, huh? Insane. Just look at the GTR badge. Oh, focus man. Oh, sexy.
है तब तक आपको ही है. हाँ, थामला नहीं ना आ रही था. अच्छा ये वाला छोटा वाला शोरूम.